Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine. So yesterday, Institute has released the notification merging June 21 examination with December 21 examination. Hope everyone got the notification. And yes, most of the students, you can see that disappointed with the notification released by Institute. Yesterday, after releasing the notification, our respected Papan sir has taken a session with our respected Nikhil sir. In this short summary, in the short video, I will give the summary of the yesterday's session around 1 hour. So first of all, first point is that yes, in the session, Papan sir accepted that Institute has accepted the big failure not conducting the examination on timely and merging the examination. Okay. So yes, but my suggestion to you, we need to support Institute in the earlier examination when some of the student you can say that faced a technical problem in examination. So Institute conduct the examination till that all the student you can say get satisfied. Okay, so we also need to support this time to our respected institute as per my suggestion. Okay, although I am also quite you can say that I am also in favor that institute need to conduct the examination on the October examination. Okay, but we need to support institute. The second point is that when examination will take place. Okay, the heading will remain the same, either June or December. Okay, but what will be the exact date of exam for upcoming examination? So we can understand easily that Jan CA or CF examination you can see that fully occupied December 2021. So yes, from first week of Jan we can easily expect that CMA exams will start. First foundation, then inter, and then final. Okay, so yes, Jan 2022 we can expect CMA inter final examination or foundation, unless there is a you can say that the corona third wave of corona cases. Okay, still the situation are improving day by day. Okay, and the mode of examination, so there is no information related mode of examination in official notification. So guys, we can easily understand that yes, the exams are going to start as per online mode, center based, but you can say that if there is a containment zone in some of the specific area or for overseas candidate, and those candidate whose center is far away from their home, so institute might give really relaxation for home based. Otherwise center based you can say remain same for all student. Okay, and now what about the pattern? Okay, so we also expect the same thing in October 21 examination. The institute will provide the exemption in you can add some relief in paper pattern. Okay, but institute will continue with the paper pattern released by mock test paper 1. Institute has released one set of mock test paper for every paper. Okay, in the session Papan sir said that yes, institute might Papan sir and the team has requested institute to give some relaxation on paper pattern. Okay, but my suggestion and my opinion on this point, this thing we also spend too much time on thinking that institute will give the relaxation on paper pattern, but finally institute continue with the paper pattern. My suggestion to you, accepting that this paper pattern is you can say that too difficult for the students for attempting the paper in proper time. Okay, where institute has given the pre-specific format for solving the practical question. But my suggestion to you, you should continue with this mock test paper. Do not wait. Institute will release the notification whether institute are providing relief or not. If institute provide, I will update. Then this will be relief. But my suggestion to you should keep on mind. Okay, I am giving you as I was also a student, and what will be the best strategy for you. My suggestion to you, if we keep thinking that institute will provide the relief and then finally institute release the notification, we will continue with the paper pattern. Okay, as of now, this is the thing that institute will continue with the paper pattern, accepting that the paper pattern is challenging for students. Now, okay, what about CMA foundation upcoming December 2021 examination? Okay, so December 2021 foundation online home base MCQ. Okay, please understand, online exam, home base or MCQ for CMA foundation students. Hope CMA foundation student will get the answers. Okay, and when institute will release suggested answer for December 2020 examination. So my suggestion to you, in the session also Papan sir said that in the global exam MCQ based question, suggested answer will not be released by the the bodies who are conducting global or organized MCQ based. So yes, institute will also not release the suggested answer, but yes, it is possible that institute will release the question paper. Okay, which is required to CMA student also. But my suggestion to you, if institute want to upload the only question paper, why yet institute not release? Okay, so my suggestion to you, do not depend on whether institute will reach the Jan 21 December 20 examination. Okay, reason is that if we think that institute will provide and then institute will not upload. If institute want to upload, this will take too much time. Okay, so my suggestion to you, solve mock test paper or model test paper, or more and more mock test paper soon institute will release. Okay, whenever institute will release, surely I will update on this YouTube channel. Okay, and those exemption of SAP training, practical training, IOTP training, 100-hour computer training. This will continue for all the student. Again, most probably for those who are appearing in December 21 examination. Yes, definitely institute will also provide. I will update. Okay, but all the student will continue with this all kind of exemption training. Okay, and those student who want to add a fresh group, so how to add? Simply you have to fill the exam form. Okay, of new group. I have already shared inter and final exam form in my Telegram channel. You can see, and you need to fill the exam form, make the DD, and you need to mail soft copy of exam form and DD to the below two mail IDs: exam.helpdesk@icmi.in first, second one exam.dd2@icmi.in. In the description I will also mention these two mail IDs, and you need to just mail to the soft copy, and hard copy you need to directly send to the Kolkata head office. Okay, and yes, definitely institute will again reopen the window to add a new group, and also to change center if any student want to change center. Reason is that if now June 21 students and December merge. Okay, so number of candidate you can see that 65 around, more than you can see that 150. So yes, institute will arrange more and more exam centers. So definitely institute will provide you to the change exam center. This is also mentioned in the notification, so do not worry. So hope you understand the crux of yesterday's session taken by Papan sir and our respected Nikhil Gupta sir. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Surely I will update you. But my suggestion to you, you should continue with the study. You have any doubt, you need any suggestion, you can ask me. Surely I will update you. Okay, and yes, my suggestion to you, do not wait for institute will provide the December 2020 exam paper or not. Okay, and whether institute will change paper pattern or not. My suggestion to you, continue with the paper pattern. Mock test paper released by institute. Soon institute will release the some more mock test paper. Okay, and yes, exams are mostly going to start from Jan 2022. Okay, so still you have any doubt, you can ask me. This is all the summary of yesterday 1 hour session conducted by Papan sir and our respected Nikhil sir. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me. Surely I will try to. And from my side guys, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.